说吧，我们的总统还在做了。
Cada chip, cada linha de código deve carregar consigo a marca da inclusão social. 40% dos trabalhadores do mundo.
Your Excellency, President Ramaphosa, Excellencies, leaders of G20 countries, a fair and just future for all. This is our shared goal. But we must be honest. Are we moving toward that future or drifting away from it? AI will define economic strength for decades to come. Yet today, its benefits remain highly unequal, concentrated in a handful of companies from a few advanced economies. If this imbalance continues, the digital divide will deepen. History has shown us when progress is uneven, the benefits flow to a few, while the costs fall on the many. This time, we must do better. This revolution must be fair, and it must be good for the people. The G20 must ensure that AI becomes a force for inclusion. This means ethical governance and, more importantly, equal access, so innovators everywhere can access data sets, training system, and global platform. Indonesia believes inclusive transitions are possible, and therefore we support G20 Decent Work Compact for fair wages, gender equality, reskilling, and social protection. Excellencies, AI may be digital, but it depends on the physical. From data center to advanced chip, AI relies on critical minerals. And global demand for these inputs is growing fast. But for too long, developing countries exported raw materials while the real value was taken elsewhere. Past industrial revolutions were built on this imbalance. We must not repeat it. This is why Indonesia chose a different path. We build industry at home and invest in downstream transformation and ensure our people benefit from their own natural wealth. This is not about closing doors. It's about opening fair partnership, linking investment, technology transfer, and responsible practices for critical minerals. Excellencies, a fair and just future will not happen by itself. It requires leadership and cooperation to ensure this new industrial revolution lifts all nations, not only a few. Indonesia stands ready to work with all of you so the G20 becomes the bridge between innovation and inclusion, between progress and justice. Indonesia believes that the future must be built on justice. Justice in how we govern new technologies. Justice in how we use natural resources. And justice for our workers. Thank you.
Thank you, Vice President Raka.